With Cub Cadet, pride goes into everything we do. Here, only a strong, durable mower that's built to perform a cut above the rest will do. A mower that's been intelligently designed to get the job done right with a precise cut every time. That mower comes from the Signature Cut series by Cub Cadet, the only line of walk-behind mowers that delivers the remarkable results of the Cub Cadet Signature Cut. And you can get that cut in total comfort with Cub's available MySpeed premium drive control system that adjusts to your pace so you can mow at a speed that's comfortable to you, no matter the terrain. And with a choice between front or rear-wheel drive models, you'll get the exact performance you need out of your mower. The addition of ergonomically designed handles provide for a firm, soft-touch grip, proving there's strength and comfort. For enhanced handling, take advantage of select models' front caster wheels. These wheels provide effortless zero-turning capability for easy maneuverability and feature an exclusive locking capability that makes straight-line mowing easier than ever. And for smoother operation, even on uneven terrain, choose a model with high rear wheels for unbeatable ease. You'll also enjoy how easy it is to start your new Signature Cut Series mower. Guaranteed to start in just 1 or 2 pulls with no priming. Or go with the push-button electric start on select mowers for the ultimate in convenience. Plus, with the ability to easily set your cutting height to one of 6 different positions, as well as choose between 3 cutting options: bag, mulch, or side discharge, you can maintain your lawn exactly how you prefer. All of these walk-behinds have Cub Cadet certified engines that have passed rigorous tests, assuring they meet our standards of performance and durability. But for added peace of mind, all Cub Cadet walk-behinds are supported by a strong 3-year warranty. All of that to help you create a perfectly manicured lawn to enjoy and take pride in all season long. So experience the incredible strength and performance of the Signature Cut Series at your local Cub Cadet retailer today. Welcome to Strongsville.